Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna do a Jennifer Lopez inspired makeup. This is a requested makeup, so I'm gonna do my best na magawa ko yung way ng pagme-makeup niya. Let's start. Okay, so we're gonna start as usual with the primer. One thing I can say about this makeup, Jennifer Lopez is we all known for contouring, so it's gonna be full of shading and highlighting. She normally do her makeup for 3 to 6 hours. Hopefully it won't take me that long, pero I think ang magiging biggest challenge ko rito is yung kung paano ko magagawa yung shape ng mukha niya, because we all know Jennifer Lopez have that very defined contoured face while I have round face. Yun lang. So hopefully kapag nakapag-contour tayo, kahit paano maiba yung shape ng mukha ko. Okay? I'm gonna be using different shades of foundation. So I'll be starting with the dark-ish color foundation. This is slightly darker than my face, but Jennifer Lopez, we all know she has that golden brown color. So we'll see if we can copy that. I'm using MAC NC45. And then I'm going to use Giorgio Armani number 4 shade. I'm gonna blend that. Next, I'll be using another dark, this is darker than the first one, darker foundation, and C50 from MAC. Let's see if I can copy the jaw. Alright, so I contour my face like this according to my to the shape of my face. So just because I contour my face like this, it doesn't mean you have to do the same. If you have a round face like me, that's fine. Pero if you have a long face or square face, oval face is perfect. But if you don't have the same shape as my face, then you may have to contour your face in a different way. Yes, so once you've got it all blended, next is concealer. Okay, now I'm going to blend that again. When you're doing this makeup, you have at least 3 sponge to use for this. Okay, then I'll add a blush, a cream blush. There you go. From Chanel. I'm just gonna blend that. And we all know that JLo loved to bake, so I'm gonna be baking using this hourglass translucent setting powder. I'll be using a damp sponge. Alright, so while baking, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and this time I'll be using Urban Decay Warm Brown. Since JLo doesn't normally put her eyebrows on clip, she also doesn't like ombre eyebrows, so this is gonna be slightly different to how I normally do my eyebrows. I'm going to clean my face now. Okay, next we're gonna do contouring using powder this time. And then my nose. And then I'm gonna use bronzer. And look what I have. Ta-da! I have this set. This is my second set. My first set I gave it away. So for this makeup, I'm gonna be using this one. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the smog. That's for my crease. Next, I'm going to use this half bake. I'm gonna use this hustle just here. And then I'm gonna use this sheen and just apply it here. Then I'm going to put this half bake here. After the half bake, I'm gonna go back to the smog and then just put it here. Next, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm gonna put the white eyeliner on my waterline. And I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna use Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. I'm gonna add up this color to my crease. Next, I'm gonna do a lot of highlighting, and I'm using Becca. And then I'm gonna use Chanel lip liner. This is number 5. Analyn Fenty lip gloss. Then I'll highlight my nose. I'll highlight my brow bone. Okay, next I'm gonna put my false lashes. And then I'm gonna use this Virgin to put here. I'm gonna change the color of my lips. Right. I'm just gonna fix my hair and see how it's gonna look like after. I'm just using my Benefit brow mascara. It's more bushy now. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. Okay, so this is it. Guys, this is not a transformation, okay? This is just an inspired makeup. So I am not intending to look like Jennifer Lopez. I was just trying to copy the way how she put her makeup on. What do you think? I put a brown contact lens as well. Right. As usual, I'm gonna take some photos and then we'll see how it's gonna look like in the picture. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this makeup, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and push the notification button so that you are updated every time I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye! I put these big earrings as well. Bye-bye.